McDonald's cup and blender. Delete the cube, add a cylinder, edit auto smooth, then in the edit mode, scale down the bottom part of the cup and delete the upper part. In the loop cut option, set the number of cuts to 10, then click in the middle part of the cup and in face select mode, click on the upper faces and then scale them up. Add a cylinder and scale it down to the size of a straw and then position the straw inside the cup and in the edit mode, delete the upper face of it. Add a text and in the edit mode, write M, then scale it up and rotate it to be straight and then position it. Select the cup and then click on the option in the top. After that, scroll down right there until you get a beach ball like option and then click on it, then add a new material. Set the base color to whatever you want and then repeat the steps to the straw and the text. Then click right there and position your camera and light to where you like and then hit run.